Sketch each of the following for x between 0 and 4 pi, and the first one is 2 minus cos x. Well, straight away that tells me that y equals 2 will be the mean line for this graph. Cos of 0 is 1. So 2 take away 1 is 1, so it's going to start just here. Cos of pi by 2 is 0. Cos of pi is negative 1. 2 take away negative 1 is going to give me 3. And I can start to see what's happening here. So it's going to go through all of these points like so. And then we know the shape, so it's going to go like this. So now we have y equals sec x take away pi by 4. Remember, that's 1 over cos x take away pi by 4. So when x is pi by 4, that's cos 0, which is 1. So y will be 1 when x is pi by 4. When x is 3 pi by 4, this will be cos pi by 2. So that's where the asymptote will be. At 5 pi by 4, we'll have cos pi. Cos pi is negative 1. 1 over negative 1 is negative 1. So it's going to go through this point. And then we can see that the asymptote will go here. And then it's going to be here. And an asymptote here. And because it just repeats itself, we can see what's happening everywhere now. Like so. We know the shape of sec, so it's going to go up here. It's going to do this. It's going to do this. It's going to do this. And then over here, we'll have a bit that goes up here. Cos of pi by 4 is root 2 over 2. Cos of negative pi by 4 is also root 2 over 2. So this will be 1 over root 2 over 2. So 2 over root 2, which is root 2. So the intercept here is going to be about here, about 1.4. And then over here, this part of the graph is going to need to come down to the same sort of point. Just there. Y equals negative sec x plus 1, so that's negative 1 over cos x plus 1. Cos of 0 is 1, so that's going to be negative 1 plus 1, which is 0. Cos of pi by 2 is 0, and because this is negative, we're going to go off to negative infinity down this asymptote. We're going to have asymptotes also at 3 pi by 2, at 5 pi by 2, and at 7 pi by 2, all the places where cos is 0. Now, cos of pi is negative 1, so we'll have negative 1 over negative 1, which is 1, add 1, which is 2. So we know the shape of sec, so we know it's going to do that. And then clearly the next one is going to be here. And then the graph just starts to repeat itself. So we're going to go to 2 here. And we'll be at 0 just there.